When your body is overwhelmed, one of the first places it shows up is in your energy field. Maybe it appears as tension in the shoulders, heaviness behind the eyes, restlessness at night, or that constant low hum of stress you can't seem to shake. Over time, those subtle signs begin to feel normal, but they don't have to be. This is where crystal pillows come in. They're designed with laminar crystals, a unique form of mineral matrix known for supporting the body's natural balance. Think of them as a gentle way to encourage harmony where the body tends to hold tightness or stagnant energy. These crystals have long been appreciated by intuitives and practitioners who observe how energy moves through the body. They've noticed that laminar crystals can help release blockages, restore smoother flow, calm the mind, and allow the body to shift into a more restful state. When your energy moves freely, everything feels lighter: your mood, your clarity, your physical comfort. Crystal pillows offer two main benefits. First, relaxation. Placing one under your head or over an area of tension encourages a deep sense of calm. The subtle energetic influence of the crystals helps the system ease out of overload and into a more peaceful rhythm. People often describe it as settling into a state their body has been craving for years. Second, restoration. Your body is essentially an electrical system. Your cells communicate through tiny electrical impulses, and laminar crystals have a natural ability to harmonize that subtle circuitry. Resting with the pillow helps replenish the quiet battery within you, the internal energy that supports vitality, clear thinking, and emotional steadiness. You can use a crystal pillow in several ways. Slip it under your head at night to encourage deeper, more refreshing sleep. Place it over your abdomen or chest when you feel overwhelmed. Set it behind your lower back while sitting to ease the strain of long hours at a desk, or simply hold it across your lap while meditating or unwinding from a busy day. What makes crystal pillows special is how simple they are to use. There's nothing you have to memorize, no complicated process. Just rest, breathe, and let the body respond in its own time. With consistent use, you may find your mood steadier, your sleep smoother, and your sense of inner balance easier to maintain. If you've been searching for a supportive tool that helps you reconnect with your natural equilibrium, something gentle, grounding, and deeply calming, crystal pillows are one of the most comforting additions you can bring into your home. Restore your energy, soothe your mind, and let your body settle into the peace it's been quietly asking for. Try crystal pillows now. Click the link in the description. This is Martin Pytela, restoring vitality to you and the planet.
Hey! Hey!